Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. Your chapter Worlds of Animals, its text part we completed. Today we will proceed for question time, that is your exercise part. So everyone please open your book at page number 77 and take your copy book with you because you have to write those answers in your copy book only. Okay, don't write in that this textbook, write in your copy book. So let's start with your question time with question A. Tick the correct word. You know you have get some questions with 3 options and you have to choose the correct one. So question 1 is, which one is a big animal? Question 1 I am writing here. And everyone you have to write in your copy book. Which one is a big animal? And here option is rat, cat, lion. Option A rat, option B cat, option C lion. So which one is a big animal? That is lion, right? So option C is the correct answer. Now go to the question number 2. Which one is a bird? Which one is a bird? So here the 3 option is option A parrot, option B cockroach and option C butterfly. You know cockroach and butterfly are insect. So parrot is a bird. So option A parrot is the correct answer. Okay. So next is question 3. Which one is an insect? Which one is an insect? Which one is an insect? Option A parrot, option B ant, option C peacock. So parrot and peacock are birds. So ant is an insect. So option B ant is correct answer. So here we did the 1, 2 and 3. You can check the answer once again, that which one is a big animal, that is lion, which one is a bird, that is parrot, and which one is an insect, that is ant. Okay. Now I have to erase this and go to the next question. Question number 4. Which animal lives on a tree? Which animal lives on a tree? Option A cow, option B lion, option C monkey. You know cow lives in a shed that is made by people and lion lives in a den. Only monkey who lives on tree. So the correct answer is option C monkey. Okay. So that is question 4. And next question 5. Which animal eats food grains? Food grains. So which animal eats food grains? Option A turtle, option B crocodile, option C hen. You know most of the birds eat food grains, not turtle, not crocodile. So hen is the correct answer. So option C hen is the correct answer. So here is question 4 and question 5. So question 4, which animal lives on a tree? That is monkey. And question 5, which animal eats food grains? That is hen. Okay. So we completed question A. Next go to the question B. Give 2 examples of each of the following animals. Here some description given here, question 7th question. So you have to give the 2 example of every question. That is, first one is big animal. So you have to give the example of big animals. 2 examples. So big animal, elephant or lion. Elephant and lion. Here is the 2 example. You can write the name of other animals also which you want to write, that tiger, cow, they are also big. Next is the small animal. Small animal are 2 small animals, and you can write rat and cat also. So I am writing here, you can write anything which you want. Next is the that eat food grains. That eat food grains. So which animal eat food grains? You know, only the birds, they eat only the food grains. So they are hen or pigeon. As you have to write only 2 examples, so I am writing here only 2, hen and pigeon. So here I am doing here only 3. So big animals, elephant, lion; small animals, rat, cat, and eat food grains, hen and pigeon. Next is question number 4, that eat plants. Eat plants. So which animal eat plants? You know, plant eaters, they eat plants, leaves, grass. So you have to write 2 examples, that is goat and cow. I am writing here only 2, goat and cow. Next is that eat flesh of animals. Flesh of animals. So which animals eat flesh of other animals? Flesh of animals. So their examples are lion, tiger. Lion and tiger. Next is that live on land. Those are the called land animals, right? Live on land. So you can write anything, any name of those land animals. I am writing here giraffe and zebra. As the 2 examples, giraffe and zebra lives on land. Next is live in water. Live in water. So those are the water animals, and fish and whale. I am writing here 2 examples, fish and whale, that lives on in water, live in water. So we completed this question B, and question 4 here, eat plants, goat and cow, eat flesh of animals, lion, tiger. You can write any other examples also. Live on land, giraffe and zebra, and live in water, fish and whale. Okay. So we completed question A and question B today. Next is, you can see that page number 78, this is your doing things during time also. You have to match the following animals to their homes. So you have to match with those animals with their homes. So let's see where it is. Question A, question 1, cow. Question 2 is dog. Question 3 is rabbit. Question 4, bee. Question 5, lion. So in the left side you get the name of the animals, and the right side is written here their home. So you have to match with those animals. So first one is kennel, second is hive, third is shed, fourth is den, and fifth is hutch. So cow lives in shed, S-H-E-D, shed. Next is the dog. You know, people make kennel for dog. So dog lives in kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L. Next is rabbit, and rabbit, bee, and lion. So rabbit who lives in hutch. Bee lives in hive, and the lion lives in den. So after matching it, we write beside the animal their homes. So cow, shed, dog, kennel, rabbit, hutch, bee, hive, and lion, den. Okay. So here we completed again the question A of your doing time. And next you can see a picture is given here in your book. So circle the wrong things in the picture given below, discuss with your friends and have fun finding them. You can see the fish is flying in the sky, a dog is swimming in this pond, and the tiger is eating grass, and the sheep is eating the flesh of cat. So those are the wrong. So you have to circle them, and you can do with fun at your home. So those exercise part and this doing part you can practice again at your home, and obviously in your copy book. And today we completed the whole question time. So read and check the answer again and practice it again. And next day we will proceed to your next chapter. Okay everyone. So have a nice day and bye.